I am, as usual, asked continually about why do I use lactic, malic, and mandelic acids only, and I do not use glycolic, salicylic, TCA, any of those peels and acids. There are healthy acids and there are unhealthy acids. Healthy is lactic, malic, mandelic. Reduces brown, it exfoliates skin, has a receptor, turns on a good function, skin loves it. It makes new collagen, elastin, skin components, helps get rid of brown. Glycolic inflames the skin. There's no receptor in the skin. Inflammation is the cause of all disease and aging. Salicylic dries and inflames the skin. You will never see me use those acids. I only use healthy acids, whether it be in the high dose professional peels or the home peels. Peel, whole body renew, exfoliating repair, and all of those are helping to prevent disease, because even if you have DNA damage, it's pushing things up to the surface. Combine that with vitamin A plus and vitamin C plus, and you're doing everything you can to rejuvenate, to get rid of all the symptoms that you don't like, and to slow down the clock as much as possible. So healthy versus unhealthy acids. Hope that helps. And especially if you have rosacea, you cannot use unhealthy acids. That's going to inflame and increase your rosacea and enlarge pores and disease. Thank you.